Marone meows. Here's why I don't wave people through. If I need to turn left that close to an intersection.
Oh, shit!
Manual recording will now start.
I would much rather turn right and take an alternate route that adds several minutes to my trip. I have way too much anxiety to try to cut through like that.
Oh, shit!
Manual recording will now start.
Lady Dare, cars go, I go. Okay, Extreme 5 to 68. Pickup versus Amtrak. I think people severely underestimate just how fast trains can go.
Woo! That was right in front of me. God damn.
Andy Dew, tell me you've been spoiled your whole life without telling
I'm
me.
not gonna reverse. Go back. So he's a taxi driver.
The round sticker in the
Kind
window
of
indicates he's a London private hire taxi driver. This
I'm
is
not gonna
pretty
reverse.
typical shitty
No.
driving
No,
for them.
Go. No, go. I'll go you on camera. Go. Next time, respect the law. No. Go back. No, go back. I don't care. Look, we all have to go like this, but you're a fucking idiot. Reverse. I'll go you on the camera. I'll go you on the camera. I'll go you on the camera. You're doing an illegal turn. You're on the oncoming traffic. You're on the video.
Dude actually got out of the car to try and open the door of the
I'll
van.
go you on the video.
What a tool.
Fucking idiot.
I'm just thinking how awkward it would have been for the person in the back of the taxi. Bet that wasn't a fun drive back.
No, I don't care. Okay. Fine. Thank you. Next time he should respect the law instead of take. I good. Cheers.
Oh, fuck, my car's up there. I don't want my car. You see people running for their life up there, dude? Did you see that? These kids are gonna fucking die.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Jesus fuck. Jesus fuck.
Que no lo vas a pasar este video.
¿Ya? ¿O hasta qué abajo?